While giving up smoking is difficult, having damaged lungs is considerably harder. Perhaps you've just stopped smoking, or you're still debating it. Your lungs need time to recover in any case. Time is a fundamental aspect in life, as it is in everything. After you stop smoking, your lungs will require some time to heal. Fortunately, it begins happening rather quickly once you decide to stop. In fact, just 12 hours after your last cigarette, the levels of carbon monoxide in your blood return to normal, aiding your body in getting the oxygen it needs to function properly. Since they clean your lungs by removing dirt, mucus, and other pollutants, healthy cilia, microscopic organelles that resemble hair, serve a crucial role in pulmonary health. The improvement of the lungs can be seen anywhere from 2 to 3 months after quitting smoking, although lung cilia need 1 to 9 months to heal. There isn't a miracle cure. It will take time for your lungs to recover after stopping smoking. On your journey to quitting smoking, it's common to experience chest discomfort, cravings, coughing, and mucus buildup. However, there are a few ways to give your lungs the best opportunity for a full recovery. What can I drink to cleanse my lungs? By getting enough water, you can keep the mucus in your lungs at a low level, which will make it simpler to cough out. Tea is a warming beverage that you can drink to help thin the mucus. Some detoxifying beverages, including honey and hot water, green tea, lemon water, carrot juice, ginger, turmeric, and potassium-rich beverages like smoothies made with oranges, bananas, spinach, and berries, can help clear your lungs. If you stop additional toxins from entering your respiratory system, lung cleaning after quitting smoking will be much easier. Your lungs will be irritated by the second-hand smoke, and it may also cause cravings. Avoiding smoke from other sources, such as fires, is also advised. To get rid of allergies and provide your lungs access to clean air, use an indoor air purifier. A spider plant or peace lily are examples of indoor plants that might help with air cleaning. Additionally, you want to leave your windows open while you sleep to let fresh air from outside circulate within. Using breathing exercises. For the lungs to regain full function, several pulmonary rehabilitation doctors advise diaphragmatic breathing exercises. Even though you might not have chronic lung disease, quitting smoking might cause lungs to hurt. Your lungs will become cleaner due to these methods. How to clean your lungs using physical exercise. Overall, being physically fit is crucial to having a healthy physique. Numerous advantages of exercise include improved physical and mental health. Exercise also releases dopamine and endorphins, which might assist with the mood swings and nicotine cravings that frequently come with withdrawal. Take it slow if you aren't used to physical activity. Breath work and whole body activity are both included in the wonderful exercise approach known as yoga, both of which are great for maintaining lung health and strengthening your lungs after you stop smoking. Coughing while exercise is common. This is brought on by the lung inflammation brought on by smoking as well as possible inadequacy. Continue exercising because it will aid in clearing your respiratory system of mucus and phlegm. Can your lungs go back to normal after quitting smoking? The main line is that smoking, especially long-term smoking, causes serious damage to the lungs that is frequently permanent. All of these approaches may help repair pulmonary damage and improve lung health. But if you keep smoking, the situation will only get worse and you'll have a higher chance of developing lung cancer and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. If you have smoked for many years, it will take a long time for your lungs to heal, and it's conceivable they will never function normally again. Your chances of lung regeneration are better the sooner you stop smoking, because your lungs are self-cleaning and will start to heal themselves over time. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.